how to become wealthy on a minimum wage. Getting rich on a small paycheck is possible, despite the common idea that only big salaries lead to wealth. While a higher income can facilitate the wealth-building process, its effectiveness depends on prudent financial management. Many rich people go broke because they spend money unwisely, showing how important it is to be careful with spending. The key to accumulating wealth lies in the ability to save and invest wisely. At its core, getting rich means making more money than you spend and saving what's left over. Although amassing wealth on a modest income comes with challenges, it can be accomplished through strategic adjustments. In today's video, we will explore strategies for building wealth while earning a minimum wage. Before we begin, kindly give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel so you won't miss out on more awesome content like this. Let's get started. Number 1, invest regardless of the amount. Before you think about investing, make sure to think about important everyday expenses like bills, food, housing, transportation, and healthcare. These needs often consume a significant portion of your earnings, leaving little room for investment. Nevertheless, even a modest contribution can make a difference. Allocating a specific amount, no matter how small, over an extended period can lead to substantial growth. The effectiveness of investing in wealth creation lies in the concept of compound interest, where interest earns interest, progressively increasing your account balance year after year. To begin investing, it's essential to designate a portion of your income for this purpose. The decision regarding the amount to set aside is entirely yours, but generally, a larger sum yields better results. This, however, doesn't imply that wealth building is unattainable on a limited income. Number 2, you should start early. Now that we understand how important investing is, let's explore why it's crucial to begin early. Starting your investments early means you won't have to save as much money each month to reach your financial goals. Many people tend to delay things like going after their dream job, saving for retirement, or making lifestyle changes because they think they have plenty of time. If you don't have much money, time becomes a powerful tool for building wealth, and it's crucial to make the most of it. Resist the temptation to delay important actions or spend money without purpose, thinking you have plenty of time ahead to build wealth. It's important to let go of the idea that your income is too small to save or that retirement is far away. Even minimal contributions to savings accumulate significantly over time. No matter how old you are or how much money you make, now is the right time to start saving. Waiting even a few months means you'll either delay or have less money for your financial goals. Even if you're not making a lot of money at the beginning of your career, time is on your side. With time on your side, the prospect of saving becomes more enjoyable and promising. Number 3, adopt a frugal lifestyle. Frugality might sound complicated, but it really means spending money with a purpose and being careful with how you manage it. The main thing stopping people from building wealth is not having too little money, but not knowing how to keep and grow what they have. Being frugal helps you tell the difference between what you need and what you want, so you can avoid spending money on things you don't really need. Moreover, choosing a frugal lifestyle is seen as one of the quickest ways to achieve financial freedom and even retire early. When you don't have a lot of money, it's important to save carefully to make your wealth grow, and practicing frugality doesn't mean your life has to be boring. Unfortunately, this misconception prevails among many, thinking that living frugally means having a boring life. But in reality, you can find a way to enjoy life while also saving money. Even when you don't have a lot of money, being smart with your finances doesn't mean you can't have a good time and enjoy life. Number 4, cutting expenses. Figuring out how to cut costs can be trickier than it seems at first because it's hard to spot where you're spending too much, and breaking habits can be tough. However, there are ways to reduce spending. These strategies help you use more money for your goals and less on things that don't really improve your life or long-term finances. When you cut down on spending and put more money toward your financial goals, you boost your ability to save for big plans. This helps grow your overall wealth and build lasting financial stability. If your spending gets to a level where saving money is hard, it could be a good time to make some cutbacks. Find places where you don't have to spend money, like eating out and entertainment, and consider cutting back on those. Also, look for chances to save money on regular monthly bills, such as cable and phone services. Stop paying for subscriptions you don't use, eat out less often, and wait a bit before buying things on impulse. These steps can help you save more money and make your spending habits match your long-term goals. Number 5. Establish SMART goals. Setting goals has many benefits as they provide a clear plan for success and stops you from wasting time as you work toward your financial goals. Moreover, goals serve as powerful motivators. Enhancing the likelihood of goal achievement involves adopting the SMART goal framework, requiring goals to be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. If a goal includes these 5 things, you're much more likely to achieve it successfully. The essence of financial goal setting lies in precisely determining what you desire. Goals, whether short-term or long-term, requires meticulous monitoring, recognizing that circumstances can change. Engaging in the process of setting and closely tracking goals is crucial for financial security. Without specific goals, the risk of overspending arises, potentially leading to financial shortfalls during unexpected expenses or retirement. Thinking ahead helps you expect and get ready for possible challenges. This ongoing process enables the alignment of life and goals with inevitable changes. Conducting annual financial planning provides the opportunity to formally review, update, and assess progress toward your goals compared to the previous year. If you haven't started setting goals yet, now is the perfect time, ensuring a solid financial foundation for your future. Number 6, create and stick to a budget. No matter how much money you make, creating a budget is crucial, whether you earn a lot or a more moderate salary. If you're earning minimum wage, it's especially important to plan your budget carefully because you have limited income and there's not much room for financial mistakes. Budgets serve as valuable tools, enabling the tracking of progress toward established goals. Having a budget not only helps you manage your money better, but also gives you a feeling of control over your finances, reducing the stress that comes with money management. When you include your income and expenses in your budget, it makes you more aware of your financial situation, encouraging the adoption of more prudent financial decisions. Although making a budget might feel a bit hard at first, it actually helps you save a lot of money in the long run. Number 7, eliminate high-interest debt. Besides spending too much, dealing with monthly debt payments can be a big hurdle when you're trying to build wealth with a modest income. While it's okay to pay interest on things like mortgages or student loans, there are some interest payments you can avoid, allowing you to redirect funds towards investments and the ultimate growth of your wealth. The initial step involves identifying the root causes of your debts and undertaking the necessary measures to eliminate them. Paying off your debts doesn't just reduce stress, it also frees up money for more meaningful things. When you're improving your finances, think about the significant savings you'll have once you don't have to deal with high-interest fees anymore. Dealing with debt, trying to pay bills, and saving money all at once can be really stressful. Getting rid of debt is crucial because having more money not only lowers stress, but also boosts confidence, opening up opportunities for saving and building a more secure future. Number 8, supplement your salary. If you want to save for retirement, pay off debts, or just have more spending money, making more money can help you reach these goals faster. Extra income means money you make on top of your regular salary. Although it's possible to build wealth on a minimum wage, it might take a long time. If you want to speed things up, having more than one way to make money is a good plan. Additional income sources may include employer-related avenues like bonuses, overtime, back pay, or commissions. But extra income doesn't always come from a regular job. It can also involve finding ways to make extra money outside of your usual work. This can manifest in various forms, such as engaging in freelance work, securing a part-time job, or initiating your own business. The money you make from these different ways of earning doesn't just help pay off debts and cover costs. It also adds to your overall income, making it quicker to reach your financial goals. That concludes today's video. I hope it was informative and beneficial to you. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I welcome your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Lastly, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.